Hi, I'm Bhavana, a Humanitarians AI Fellow, and this is Week 12, the finale of my JobSeeker report, where I've been the SEO engineer making Google find and rank our job listings. This week closes a loop. The company page I scoped out in Week 10, rebuilt, because when I rechecked, the reason to wait no longer applied. The instinct would be to trust past me. It was blocked before, so it's blocked now. But a blocker is a fact about a moment, not forever. So I actually looked. No company page existed yet, and better, the base company's table already had everything a genuinely useful first version needs. Name, slug, logo, verification status, job count. None of it depending on the sponsorship tier data that caused the pause. The page never actually needed to wait, so it got built from parts already proven. The same meta pattern as job pages, a clean title, a canonical URL, and no index until a company is actually verified with jobs. And it's wired to last week's cookieless client, so it's genuinely ISR cached, not just configured to be. Nothing new invented. The whole point of 12 weeks of patterns is that the next page is mostly assembly. One real design question came up. The company's table is only unique per source and Slug together, not on the Slug alone, so two different scraped sources could, in theory, produce the same Slug string. Rather than assume any single row is the obviously correct one, the query orders by job count and deterministically takes the top match. The most substantial company for that Slug wins every time. And one thing to stay upfront about, the same way this whole series has. The dev database still has no company rows in it, so the real happy path, an actual company with actual jobs rendering live, hasn't been seen firsthand yet. That's the same empty database limit from week 3. Not a new one. The page is built and cache verified. It just hasn't met real data yet. Recap and the close. The company page came off the shelf because I rechecked the blocker instead of trusting it, and the blocker was gone. It was built from proven parts. The job page meta pattern, last week's cookieless cache fix. One real edge, the Slug collision, resolved deterministically. And an honest caveat kept, the same as always. 12 weeks, one legible SEO system. The rule at the end. Recheck what you scoped out because the reason may not have survived. Your turn and the last one. Open your own backlog and find the thing you scoped out months ago. Before you assume it's still blocked, ask Claude to check whether the reason still holds, whether the data or the dependency you were waiting on has quietly arrived. Then build it from the patterns you already have. Run this,